Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Popson team channel. Alright, it's your boy Popson. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel before, this is your first time viewing my video, what you have to do just to click on the subscriber icon below and subscribe to my channel. Alright, in today's videos today, I'm gonna teach us how you can create a standard page for your store. Now, for example, what I'm trying to say is that maybe you own a Shopify store or HSY store or Amazon store, or even let's say WordPress website, or you're just selling services or products online now, and you want to expand your business, make use of social media. You want to get started spreading out about your business, maybe about your product or your services on social media, and you want to make use of Facebook platform. Now for you to get started on Facebook platform, you need a page. Now how can you create a standard page for your business? Now without wasting much of the time, alright, I'm going to be making use of one of my clients' store right now. I'll just type the Brooks Beauty. This is the store name, the brooksbeauty.com. As you can see, this store, you can shop latest figure makeup and beauty cosmetic right at this store, and they sell at very cheap price. They also offer 10% off. Now let me get inside. This is it. You can see on top, first page. This store is very now can you see? So you can shop at very cheap price. Now as you can see, get 10% of your first order with the code Brooks. So if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to their store. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I will move on to my Facebook right now. Sorry for that. Alright, now so to get started with a page that I'm talking about, so you're gonna click on page. This is page. Can you see? I click on page. Alright, this is these are my pages that I have already created. So if you want to create a new page, you're gonna click on new like this, create new page. Alright, can you see? Page name required. What does this mean? It means your business name. So the name you want to use for your page. Alright, now so for you not to disturb yourself, you can just come to your store like this. As you can see, I'll be making use of the Brooks Beauty as my page name, or even Brooks Beauty. Now the next thing to do is just to choose your category. Can you see? Automark green badge. Alright, now so the next one is to choose your category. Now what does this category mean? It means the category that you store for. Like for example, now this store, they are selling makeup stuff, so I have to choose category based on makeup. Let me just type beauty. Can you see? Beauty, cosmetic and personal care. So I'll be choosing this. I like this. So you can choose at least 3 categories. Yes, let me say the maximum categories for you to choose is 3. You can choose more than 3. Alright, so I'll just choose this one, but I can still choose another one like beauty store. But I love this one. It's okay. So you can anyone you like. It's not like the next one is your description. Now for you not to disturb yourself, so this description means about your business. You're gonna tell them about your business. For example, I will say at the Brooks Beauty, we sell the best figure makeup, cosmetic, anyone at Brooks Beauty. Let me just say full stop right there. At Brooks Beauty, full stop, we sell the best vegan makeup, cosmetic, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So just type about your business, type it here. That is all about that. All right, now the next one, can you see they give us desktop preview, and also to check your mobile preview you're gonna click here. Can you see this is mobile preview? This is how your store will look like. All right, the next one to click is just to click on create page. Yeah, can you see our page is creating? So let's just wait. All right, Brooks Beauty was created. Only now you can add image or go to your page to add more details. All right, just scroll down like this. Now we can add our profile picture, so there's no need to disturb yourself. Just add, you can put your logo or your profile picture, just put let me just put, I think I have let me put this, but I supposed to put this logo. Yeah, can you see how it appear? But if you don't want to make use of logo, you can make use of yourself, your profile picture. All right, the next one is what your cover photo. This is very, very important. Make sure you add your cover photo to it. Yeah, it is very, very important. So I will be adding my cover photo right now. Yeah, I'll be adding my cover photo right now. Yeah, so I'll just, okay, let me check it. I'll just click here. Let me check here. I think I got it here. Let me check. Oh, sorry. Let me check another place. Yeah, I got it here. So this is, I'll be choosing this banner. So the minimal size of our profile picture is 180 by 180. Yeah, 180 by 180 pixel. So that's what I mean. Can you see how professional it is? Beauty shop now. Can you see I designed this banner? Was designed perfectly with the best software, So the next thing is just to click on save. Yeah, I've clicked on save. So just wow, this is pretty cool. So now the next, okay, it is asking for my WhatsApp. I don't need to add my WhatsApp for now. I can add it later. So I'll just click start right here and I'll click leave. I don't need that for now. So can you see? So our page has been created. So that is that about that. Thank you for watching my video once again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also give me thumbs up, like my video. If you have any question based on this, comments on the comment section below. Honestly, trust me, I'm gonna answer you immediately. Thank you for watching my video once again. I love you all.